My name is Reshma Klin. Do you think oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis? Do you think? So here's a small experiment to show that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. So requirement for these are a beaker, a funnel, a test tube and a hydrilla plant. You fill the beaker half full with water. Then you insert the hydro plant into this funnel. And insert into this beaker full of water. Cover the mouth of the funnel with a test tube. You can keep this under a bright sunlight for some 2 hours enough. Or if you want to see the urgently if you want to see the result of this, you can see that oxygen is evolved during oxygen bubbles. Water bubbles will be raised up to the top surface of the test tube. So if you want to see it direct, you can. If you want to see it urgently, you can keep it under a source of light like a table lamp or in your lab, anything, and you can find out. Otherwise, if you want to happen naturally, you can keep it under sunlight for some 2 to 3 hours, and by this way you can see the bubbles. So for easy display, I have kept it under a table lamp, so you can easily see the water bubbles getting settled on top of this test tube. Can you see? Slowly the water bubbles are raising from the hydra, from below that funnel. It's going up and getting settled on the top of the test tube. So our air bubbles are settled down here. So by this we can prove that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. Thank you. I wish you all enjoyed this experiment.